If you want to check voicemail messages on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then first of all we can go to the phone app, of course, and we can open the keypad. Now in here you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial your voicemail. And then of course, as you connect to the voicemail, you should be able to listen to all messages that someone might have left you. Now if you press and hold number 1 and you cannot reach the voicemail, and then this might be due to the incorrect voicemail number set up in the voicemail settings. So if you want to check that, we need to go back to the home page and then tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner. And we're gonna go to settings. Now in here in settings we can go to the voicemail. In my case I also need to choose the SIM for which I want to manage voicemail settings. Over here go to advanced settings and we have the voicemail number, which we can of course customize or edit. And if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to contact your carrier or service provider and then ask them what is the voicemail number, or you can try to simply Google that information. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.